All right, niños and niñas, welcome back. This one is not in your math journal page. It is a template attached, so you can watch as I go through the video, and then you're going to do this on your own and send me the pictures. Then I will have a separate video walking through the math boxes so I can take you through it, and then you can send me the pictures for your math boxes there. Okay, this one says picturing division. Remember, division is just taking our whole number and dividing it into equal groups, right? Smaller equal groups. We know how to divide and we'll work through it. Solve each problem. Use pictures and words to show your thinking. So you must show me pictures or words so I know what you're thinking. Number 1 says there are 20 children in art class. If 4 children can sit at each table, how many tables do they need? Okay, let's talk about what we know. What do we know? What can you pick out from here? What do you know? Oh, there's 20 children in art class. That means there's 20 children total. That is our biggest number. Our total amount of kids is 20. Okay, 4 children can sit at each table. How many tables do we need? That's what we're trying to figure out. How many tables? Well, we need enough tables so that 20 children can fit, but there's 4 at each table. So let me draw the first table. Do I know how many tables I'm drawing? How many tables do you need? No, I don't know. So I'm going to start table by table. So the first thing I should do is draw a table. What should I put at my first table? How many did they say can sit at a table? Oh, look, 4 can. So you could draw 4 little circles on the outside if you want to, but I'm going to draw 4 on the inside because I know at this whole table there's 4 that can sit there. Can I just have 1 table? Is that enough for 20 children? No, we still need some more. So I'm going to draw another table. And another 4 kids can go at this table. Are we there yet? Well, what's 4 plus 4? 4 plus 4 is, 8. Are we at 20 yet? Nope, I'm going to keep going. You know what? I know that another 4, oopsie daisy, that was a really tiny table. I know that this table, that 4 and 4 equal 8. So I'm going to draw another 4 and 4. Because if I add these together, right? 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. You guys, what is 8 plus 8? 8 plus 8 is 16. Am I there yet? I have enough chairs for 16 kids. I still need more. So should I add 1 more table? Okay. If 4 plus 4 is 8 and this 4 plus 4 is 8, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tables so far. 4 tables wasn't enough because I'm at 16. So what's 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1 more 4? Well, 16 plus 4 equals 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many tables did I need in all? Excuse me, that came out weird. How many tables did I need in all? I drew 1 here. A table of 4, a table of 4, a table of 4, and a table of 4. How many tables did I need? When you draw this out on the template, you must draw out what you figured out. Write how many tables. Okay, for number 2, there are 20 children in music class. If 6 children sit at each table, how many tables do they need? Boys and girls, this looks so familiar. Look it. They had 20 children total. We have 20 children total. Excuse me. It says how many tables do they need? We were trying to figure out how many tables they needed. But this time, instead of sitting 4 at a table, how many can sit at a table? 6 can sit at a table. So we need to draw. We don't know how many tables, so we're going to start 1 table at a time. What do I put on this table? Well, now 6 children can sit at a table. These are different tables, so I can have 6. Can I just draw 1 table and call it good if I can only have 6 children sit there? No, because I need enough for 20 children. I am going to let you do this one on your own. This one's a little tricky. Remember, we want to be able to sit 20 kids total. So you have to go until you at least get 20. If you get over 20 seats, is that okay? Yes, because 20 kids can still sit there. They just have extras. No, I want your listening ears on. When we have extras in math, it's called a remainder. Let's say that word together. Remainder. What's a remainder again? It's when we have extras left over. So when you do all of your tables, you might have some remaining seats left, right? You might have a remainder, some extra seats, and that's okay, because if you have extras, that means that those 20 kids can still sit down. They just might have a few empty chairs. But if you don't have enough chairs, that means these kids can't sit at the table. So we want extras in this situation. So I want you to do your math and figure out how many tables it will take to have 20 kids sit down. You might just have some extra seats left. Write this again on this template attached and send it to me or your teacher when you're done. Then you can meet me on the Math Boxes videos. You guys are awesome.